In 2019, I was given a great opportunity by Matt Chambers to design and prototype my fourth platform right here in New Orleans. This is a 2023 Curtis 1. I brought this out to talk about it because I think I got some stuff right on this motorcycle that are carrying forward into the next project. For one, the proportion is quite nice. The distance between the top of the chassis and the steering neck to the bottom of what is actually the battery, because this is an EV, is very much in keeping with that beautiful American pre-war proportion. The ergonomics are really good because they're so adjustable. All the different foot peg locations, the different handlebar locations, fully adjustable. The suspension on this motorcycle, I think, is wonderful. It's actually magical. So, a lot of this technology, a lot of this experience will be going into the Magnolia 4, and in many ways moving back in time to do an internal combustion engine.